Let me tell you, not a single child has come onto this planet as a hateful child. Every child has come into this planet as a bundle of joy. A bundle of joy and bubbling enthusiasm. Due to circumstances and due to the impressions of events, they get distorted. Hate is nothing but love standing upside down. Love is twisted and becomes hatred. All these negative emotions are nothing but distortion of love. Love plus knowledge leads you to bliss. Love plus ignorance leads you to all this sort of anger, jealousy, hatred. ये सब सिलसिला शुरू हो जाता है। मगर प्रेम अपना स्वभाव है, स्वरूप है। जैसे योर बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ अमीनो एसिड, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन्स, आपकी चेतना जो है इट इज मेड अप ऑफ लव।